Alright, vlog. Starting it off on the phone today. Let y'all hear these downshifts. Dumbass nigga. Slight cutting up, you know. Yeah, man. I ain't put no oil in my hair, bro. I'm tripping. But I'm logging off the phone right now. I'm finna just rinse my car off. I just want to get the bugs off myself. And then go get an actual wash. And then, yeah, man. So let me get y'all when I get to the motherfucking wash. Alright, y'all. I'm here. Y'all see all these bugs and shit. But I'm finna just rinse this off. I'm not even finna wash it here. The last time I washed it here, it was looking like this. So I'm finna just rinse it off. Then take it to the car wash. This other wash. So let's get it cracking. By the way, I'm about to change. I should change that to black, right? I'm about to change that to black. But let's just rinse this off for now, man. Put these quarters in. Alright, y'all, done rinse this bitch off. I just thought to do this. I don't even know if this is smart to do, but fuck it, bro. I just want to rinse my shit off to at least get the bugs off and shit, because the touchless wash don't always hit everything, you feel me? So I at least got that off. So now I'm finna take it to the actual wash, man. Let's get it back on that road, man. Yeah. I don't know why the fuck I should say that. What the fuck? Alright, y'all. Finna go to Toronto. I said Toronto, Canada. My nigga nigga Joe here. Huh? That's all I'm about to say. If you want to ride, we can all ride in my shit, bro.
Should we do that?
We can, bro. So you feel me? We all in one with.
Myself and shit. Be lonely. Might get searched. I'm be scared as fuck.
We can just go park over there and then you can hop in.
Yeah, bet, yeah, bro. Invite the club.
Yeah, we can do that. Take this bitch, man. I'm finna go to the casino, by the way. That's what I say. But yeah, man. Cat. Huh?
We're really getting searched.
We can all go here.
Haha. Shit. You in the trunk, nigga.
Who?
You.
I'm not in no fucking truck. You the skinniest out of
Get the fuck.
me and you. You in the fucking truck.
Oh, I don't know why my flash on, but Joe not driving, man. We all gonna get in the cat. Finna, yeah. Yeah. I'm scared to do it in this bitch. Ain't no space. Alright, y'all. New day. Just went to get some gas. I gotta get an oil change too. A little bit. Y'all see that oil life? Oh shit. 41%. So I'm gonna change that. But on the way, finna put these lights in. We're not gonna be able to see the lights till tonight. I know this been kind of like a POV, but I barely give y'all a Hellcat content on here. But yeah, man, on the way to my dad, the city right now. You feel me? I got my camera right here, but I just been. It's so easy to record out the phone, bro. I'm gonna talk about it, but I'm gonna let y'all know when I get there, man. I might get y'all some more footage on the highway. All right, y'all, we out here, man. Pop's helping me, man, but technical difficulties. I don't got my what's the name, so I can't jack it up or got to turn the wheel. But y'all see how close it is. But the light is literally right there. Then we're gonna be changing this one too, feel me? So get back to y'all in a minute. I'm gonna update y'all, man. All right, man. Step one out the way. That's all it is, y'all. It's all this is. It's connected to this right here, man. So you just take this out. Then we got the new lights up here. Oh yeah, new lights up here. I think they all say
left, right.
L or R.
Look at the other one, see the match up.
Yeah, L or R.
Alright, let's take that one off right quick. Plug it.
And then
See if they're identical. I got it. Film you, dog. Come on. He thought he was coming out here and having daddy do this, but guess what, y'all?
You're right.
Daddy's showing him how to do this. Huh?
Let me know if you stop recording.
Know that. Squeeze that red button.
Why I don't want to?
Come on. Swap phones. Get over there.
Maybe press that down with that. It is on there tight.
Yeah, but it ain't nothing but a button. Fucking button. Okay, it'll come off. We don't want to snap it.
Press the red down with. Oh.
There lift the red up. Red self lock on it, I guess. Don't pull on it. Yeah, she's coming. She's coming.
All we gotta do is get this off, y'all. 4 more, but starting with the front first. So I'm gonna show you in a little bit when we get to the other side and put this. We're gonna put this one in, man. Our YouTube, we're finally done. All white lights on this motherfucker. But as y'all can see, it is like daytime. So obviously, I'm gonna show y'all this at night too. But I ain't gonna lie, that was easy. I thought it was gonna take more time, but the back ones was easier than the front. So got the lights on. So y'all gonna see this when later tonight. Huh?
Let me run down the street, make it look how I look coming down the street.
Go ahead. Even though they already know they ain't gonna be able to see it. Alright.
I don't know if the lights on or not. Lights on?
Yeah, they on. Hold on though. He wanna show y'all something. But they on this regular though, auto. Actually, I'm gonna just leave them on. I think these the brights though, but. Deleted it. Yeah. Hey, he on the curb. I gotta show you how to really do this though.
I'm not about to hit this guy right now. You don't want me to show you how to do this,
You don't know how to hold it. You gotta turn the traction off.
Turn the traction off.
Hold the brake.
Hold the brake down.
Hold this button.
Hold that button. We ain't got it on sports yet. Hold that button.
Yeah.
It don't work.
Put it in manual so you.
Manual.
He about to get in front of the cat. Okay. I'm gonna get behind the wheel. I'm gonna show him something though. Hey. Scared me a little bit. Bet.
Y'all must be getting new tires every damn day.
Hey, them some new tires right there. Hit that bitch from right here all the way to here. Hey. Scared me a little bit. Bet. I got my flat. You want to get in? Sorry, you're recording.
Widebody, you know, daddy came through here smashing. Wait, Audrey, go ahead. Phil Cons.
All right, YouTube, here you go. It's kind of like my camera lens kind of, but y'all see it though. All white lights around. Let me know how y'all rocking with it, man. Put a little bright. There we go. Let me get some cinematics of it though. Then yeah.
I hopped in the coupe, I was doing 180. The cost of that light, I ain't stopping. I let my light like Monopoly. Oh girl, my bitch got a bubble gun popping. Fuck on my.
But yeah, man. Probably should have recorded off my camera, but the phone be a little easier though. It's a whole vlog off the phone, but it's in the video out, man. Got the white lights. Nah, man. Make sure I drop a like, comment, share, subscribe, man. Yeah.